Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga. What? Do you know, for Thai, those are different words. When a tone changes, a meaning changes. Hi there! Speak Thai Possible is here with you. I know. Learning Thai tones is a real pain in the neck. But let's forget about that pain and enjoy learning Thai tones with me. Thai has 5 tones. To become a master in tones, there's just one way. That is practice, practice, and practice. In this video, I will share you a trick and some exercises that you can practice like I'm sitting next to you at home. A trick for beginner. 1. Find a model word in your own language for each tone. 2. Match or join a Thai word which you're trying to find a tone with the model word. 3. Repeat it many times as much as you can. Say it out loud so you can hear yourself and your brain get used to it. And 4. Find a native speaker to correct you, or you can also practice with my exercise at the end of the video. I will use English for my model words. They are yeah, hey, what, well. Can you notice that what I just said, it sounds like what Thai people try to teach you and say ma, 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 ma. I will compare it one by one for you. Yeah, ma, ma, hey, ma, what, ma, well, ma. Let me give you 5 more examples from middle tone to rising tone. 1. ศุกร์ต้องล้างขา It means Friday must wash leg. Excuse me for a weird sentence. Anyway, let's compare. Yeah, 1. ศุกร์ Hey, ต้อง What, ล้าง Well, ขา วันศุกร์ต้องล้างขา Now, I show you how to pronounce each tone. Middle tone. Right, it's like that. Middle tone. Keep your voice even. Be like a robot and emotionless. Like, yeah, finally I can speak Thai, yeah, woohoo. Emotionless. Okay? Words in middle tone. กิน ปู แดง มี ดี Yeah, I can speak Thai กินปูแดงมีดี speak yeah Thai มีดี See? It's all the same tone. Middle tone. Low tone. Low tone. Your voice start at a low pitch and stay low. Put your chin down to remind yourself that you have to keep your voice low, like this. Okay? And imagine that you are a monk praying in the temple. Like, Okay? Words in low tone. ผัดผักใส่ไข่เป็ดไข่เป็ดผัดfalling tone your voice start high and fall down like that. At the beginning you can move your face like the way I move the hand to remind yourself that the sound should fall down at the end. Imagine that you see a hot girl or a hot guy and you poke your friend like, hey, look at that. Wow. Damn. Hey, wow. Damn. All are falling tone. Words in falling tone. นี่ไม่ใช่แม่พี่นี่ไม่เฮ้แม่ว้าวพี่ damn high tone your voice start high and goes higher. Imagine when you are skeptical or hear something surprising and you say, what? Say what? Really? They are high tone that you use every day. So from now on, when you hear or say those words, tell yourself high tone to train your brain. Words in high tone. นิ้วน้องน้ำรักมา what นิ้ว what น้ำ what มา what รัก so I will be so proud if at the end of the video you guys can pronounce my name correctly. Rising tone. Your voice start low and goes higher like a check mark. Imagine there is a long dead air during the conversation on your first date and you decide to say, well, I gotta go. And your date asks, where? Why? Remember that well, where, why in a question tone is Thai rising tone. Words in rising tone. เห็นหมูขาวหนีหมี well where ขาวหนีหวายหมีเห็น where. Well done everyone. Now you are all set to move to a tone drill exercise. Don't forget, whenever you struggle to get the tone right, use the model word as a smart tuner until you find the right tone, like you use a tuner to tune tones for your guitar. For example, this word. Firstly, identify the tone mark up there, like a V. That is rising tone. What is the model word for rising tone? Right. Well, why, where, easy. So every time you see this tone mark like a V, think of well, where, why, all about question. Okay? Now try to pronounce this word in rising tone. I will say the model word again and you can say it while listening to me and see if our tones are matched. Okay, let's go. Well, Well, well. What's your answer? Excellent. Hiếu, hiếu, hungry. An easy instruction for my tone drill exercise. I will pronounce a model word for you. Please try to tune your tone with my tone, and you can check your answer after a pause. Additionally, while practicing, you may record your voice and check with my voice. Middle tone. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Say your answer. Right. Ma, ma, ma means to come. Rising tone. Well, well, well. Say your answer. Correct. Ma, ma, ma means a dog. High tone. What? 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 Say your answer. Right. Ma, ma, ma means a horse. Low tone. Say your answer. My, my, my means new. Falling tone. Hey, hey, hey. Say your answer. That's right. My, my, my means not. Rising tone. Well, well, well. Say your answer. Cow, cow, cow means he, a pronoun. Falling tone. Hey, hey, hey. Say your answer. Cow, cow, cow means to enter. Low tone. Say your answer. Cow, cow, cow means knee. Falling tone. Hey, hey, Hey. Say your answer. Correct. Pa. Pa. Pa means aunt. Low tone. Say your answer. Right. Ba. Ba. Ba means forest. Rising tone. Well. Say your answer. Correct.ฝัน means dream. And last word. Middle tone. Yeah. Say your answer. You got it. Fun means teeth. Alright, thanks for watching. If you find my video useful, please click like or subscribe to my channel right here, or you can make any comment, tell me how it works or how it doesn't work with you, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye bye. สวัสดีค่ะ Use yeah hey what well sing along.